session 5, let us take a moment to pray that the COVID-19 virus is sweeping through our country quickly be gone. Let the prayer begin. Hi Miss, nice to see you again. My name is Luki Ramadan Jaya. In session 5 about planning on your next holiday, I will present you for my dates. So keep watching and check my video. When the first semester break is up, I have one plan. I want to go to Sukabumi to visit some beach and other tourist attractions there. In Sukabumi, there are beaches with white sand and clean water. One of it is Ujung Genteng Beach. I am gonna go to that beach and then swimming there. In addition, Sukabumi also has beautiful lake and forest, one of them in the suspension village. I am going there to enjoy the natural beauty. There are lakes and waterfall in the forest that are also worth looking at. I do rather spend my vacation there than just stay home. At the end of the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a possibility that the plan would not be possible, so I changed my first plan to grow crops, and the second plan is an in-house camping trip. Growing crops at home help us to survive and thrive in the pandemic. With growing crops, I have many benefits. The first, the house looks so beautiful, and the second is the result of farming I can consume. Another way to stay on vacation, even at home, is to grill and indoor camp with the family. Keep in mind that you should not crowd and are not encouraged to invite neighbors to join in. It was better to make camp in a simple house with only a family, no one else. And the last plan, when the pandemic's over, I will to conduct college in person, because virtually it was so boring. Why is online class so boring? Since there is no one to discuss and solve problem together. When class is face to face again, maybe I want to be bored anymore again. I'm so sorry if the video is too short, because this is my only holiday. I hope you understand this. Thank you for attention, miss. I hope you like my video. See you next time. Bye bye.